Why is HBO Max making you choose a provider? If HBO Max, now rebranded as Max, is asking you to choose a provider, it usually means your subscription is tied to a third-party service rather than being billed directly through HBO Max. This can happen for several reasons, and below are the most common explanations along with solutions. 1. Your HBO Max subscription is through a TV or streaming provider. If you get HBO Max through a cable company, e.g., Xfinity, Spectrum, DirecTV, AT&T, or Cox, or a streaming service, e.g., Hulu, YouTube TV, or Amazon Prime Video, you must sign in using that provider's credentials. Solution: select your provider from the list and log in with your TV or streaming account details. 2. You have an HBO Max bundle with another service. Some mobile providers, AT&T, Verizon, and internet services include HBO Max as part of a bundle. Solution: choose your mobile or internet provider and sign in with your account details. 3. You signed up for HBO Max through a third-party app. If you subscribe via Hulu, Apple TV, Roku, or Amazon Prime Video, you need to sign in through that service. Solution: select the correct provider, e.g., Hulu, Apple TV, and log in with your subscription details. 4. You previously had HBO through a cable provider. If you used to get HBO through a cable provider but recently changed or canceled your service, HBO Max may still be trying to verify your old provider's credentials. Solution: check if your cable provider still includes HBO in your plan. If not, consider subscribing directly through HBO Max. 5. Your subscription expired or changed. If your subscription has ended or your provider no longer supports HBO Max, you may be required to choose a new provider or subscribe directly. Solution: check your billing details with your provider. If necessary, subscribe directly to HBO Max instead. 6. You're trying to log in with the wrong email or account. Sometimes, users accidentally try to sign in with the wrong email that isn't linked to their active HBO Max account. Solution: try logging in with a different email or verify your account details through your provider. 7. App or browser issues. If the app is not working correctly, it may not recognize your subscription. Solution: clear your cache or reinstall the HBO Max app. Try using a different device or browser. How to fix the issue and watch HBO Max without choosing a provider. If you no longer have HBO through a provider and want direct access to HBO Max, follow these steps. Cancel your provider-based HBO Max subscription, if applicable. Sign up directly on the HBO Max website or app. Use your new credentials to log in without selecting a provider. If HBO Max is asking you to choose a provider, it's likely because your subscription is linked to a third-party service like a cable company, streaming bundle, or mobile provider. If you no longer have an active subscription through them, you may need to subscribe directly to HBO Max to continue streaming.